Tate collection is the national public collection of British art and international and modern art from 1900 to the present day. We've got 4 galleries around the UK, Tate Modern, Tate Britain, Tate Liverpool and Tate St Ives. We have around about 66,000 works in the collection and about another 2,000 works which are on long loan to the collection on and on. Tate doesn't have enough display space in its galleries to show it all. What we do is we rotate the collections all the time. At the heart of everything that we do is documentation. We used to do things in a much more manual way than we do now. This is the accession register, we call it. In here is the name of the artist, the title and the medium, how we acquired it, the price that we paid. And what we do now is all of our accessioning is done on a database called the museum system. The collection management system holds all the information that Tate has about the objects in the collection. The columns that are in the ledger relate now to the fields that are in our documentation system. We used to have 5 fields in the inventory that we used to have to fill in, and now we have hundreds and hundreds of fields in the system.
It's important to have a good photographic document because all the works in the Tate collection belong to the nation. And if you can't for any reason go to visit a Tate gallery, whether it's in St Ives, Liverpool or London, it makes sense to have an image on the website. So it gives access to everyone, as everyone owns the art. First thing we do, we have the painting that comes into the studio, we photograph it with a very high resolution digital camera. That image goes straight into one computer, then it goes into another computer, believe it or not, then it's processed, then it goes into a database, which goes into another database, and then leaves the photographic department. The person at home looking at the website of the Tate can see a picture of the painting and all the information that they need to know.
The database of the Tate that we've developed to publish our collection online is called Collection Information Service, otherwise known as CIS. This database just amalgamates data from a number of other databases and other data sources and pulls it together so that we can publish the collection and all related material online in an up-to-date fashion. CIS is crucial to Tate to actually continue our ongoing publication of the collection. Many of the packages now offer web applications, but the fact that we've developed CIS ourselves gives us the maximum flexibility. We can actually enhance it as much as is technically possible, which means we have no limit in terms of what we can do.
One of the outputs of the database system is that it automatically publishes to our department and to the website, and we are then tasked with the front-end interface onto the online collection and to making that as accessible as possible to a very broad audience. We don't know how big Tate's website is, but we think it's about 160,000 pages, and the vast majority, 95%, is the presentation of Tate's collection online. What that means is that the entire collection of 68,000 artworks is available and is accessible to anybody in the world, rather than just the 1% or so works which are on show in the galleries. And that's a very important thing for a publicly funded gallery to be able to do.